Hi guys, today we have with us Shreni Mehta. Shreni, we want to know about your story today because she got the highest placement on campus. What I'm doing is I'm going to various colleges and especially meeting all the toppers to understand कि तुम्हें ऐसा क्या खास है और ये क्या improve कर सकता हूँ मैं so that I can also get the top job on campus. So before we go to that, can you tell me about your background, where you from?
Okay, so I belong to Vadodara, Gujarat, and I have done my graduation from MS University. I'm a business administration graduate. There's nothing so specific about topping or being a topper or getting the highest package. There's no rocket science behind it, but being a bit focused about what you want and where do you want to go, which sector, which industry, not only about the sector and industry, but what role. Ideally, I had this particular mantra of package, that is what money you want, profile you want, and what brand you want. And you honestly, you don't get all three. So you need package, brand, and the profile. Right. So for me, I was very much keen about the profile because I have a 3 years of work ex, and in a 3 years of work ex, I have learned everything because it was a startup. So right from finance to sales to branding, marketing, B2B, everything is what I have done. Now channelizing it into something, some particular thing was very difficult for me because I loved working where I used to. From where I got a chance to go into an MDP program in IIM Lucknow. That was about design thinking, and then I landed into Wellinger. The BD program, right? So that is where my interest lied in innovation, creativity, and then slowly, gradually, in my summers, I understood what not to do. And that is my journey so far about the placement.
I think the biggest thing what you said is the focus, that you are focused on what you want.
Right.
और आपका focus है तो उस area में चाहे 4 पैसा कम मिल जाए,
right,
but you will always get more.
Right.
And this is also what you did. You focused mainly on getting a good profile,
right,
but ended up getting a good job as well, highest job as well.
Yes.
Okay, you came via which exam to this school?
I came via CMAT.
How much you scored in CMAT?
89 percentile.
89 percentile. Yeah. So this is the title going to be 89 percentile to highest package of 22 lakhs.
22, yeah.
22 lakhs, great. So now I want to know from you two things. Number one, what all you improve, because obviously you have to improve yourself once you come to the B school. Yeah. Number two, how college helped you to get the job. How you improve, what all things you think I can improve or anyone should improve, work on them, right, so that they can get the highest package.
So when I entered here, the batch was dynamic and diverse. I had too many people who were freshers, and there was a bunch of people who had experience. Now identifying what is important for me, where to go. So I call myself a leader, and I want to brushen up my skills in everything, every possible way. I also like designing as a skill, so I entered into that way, following a business design as a passion and doing what I learn at the same time. So I kept on doing small life projects. I kept on doing short internships, and likewise apart from that, college helped me in volunteering too many events, be it a freshers or a farewell or a convocation, or maybe any other event, a foundation program for juniors, or maybe conducting GD group discussion, mock GD, mock PI for my juniors. I always tried to be on the front foot and lead the things.
So now that's the second. One is focused on getting to the academic as well. Second is all these extracurricular activities. This help you.
Right.
So participate as much as you can.
Yes,
and be focused. आपको marketing करना, finance करना, जो भी area में जाना है, उसमें घुस जाओ अच्छे से.
Yes, definitely.
And you can get the highest placement.
Yes, true, definitely.
Super. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.